Hey guys, welcome to our factory. This is Guangzhou Shangbang, Commercial Kitchen Equipment Co. Ltd. We're a real deal manufacturer of commercial deep fryers right here in China. No middlemen, we are the source factory. Look at this. Every single unit is built right in our own workshop. We do our own wiring component assembly. Quality checks all in the house. We don't just resell products from somewhere else. Every part of our commercial fryers is put together by our skilled workers. We focus on durable, reliable commercial cooking equipment for business owners worldwide. And here is our star product, our commercial deep fryer. Take a good look at the building quality. Heavy-duty stainless steel body, complete accessories, easy-to-use control panel, perfect for restaurant snack bars, food stalls, all kinds of food service businesses. Whether you fried chicken, fries, or other snacks, this fryer handles heavy-duty daily work really well. We are Guangzhou Shangbang, Commercial Kitchen Equipment Co. Ltd., your direct source factory for commercial deep fryers. We support customs requirements and bulk orders. Let's talk about your project.